1987, I graduated from Kennesaw State University. It took me 10 years to get through college. I went to 4 different colleges. I think I had 14 different degree programs I had started. I was going to be a gym teacher. I was going to be a teacher. I was going to be a music major. I actually tried out piano, which was horrific. It took me 10 years to sing. My degree was in communications, and I was elated. In 1987, getting a degree was still really a big deal. It wasn't commonplace like it is so much today. When I finished college, I wanted to take my degree and just put it around, just wear it as a badge of honor. And so I was a little haughty about it. One of the things I decided when I graduated, a vow I was making to myself, was that I would never take a job as secretary.